Hi, I'm Jeff, and now we're going to take a minute to look at how to use the lead tracking features inside of PlanningPod. The lead tracking features are located inside the Contacts area of our application, so we're going to click on that tab now. Next to many of the contacts here, you can see tags, and one of those tags is lead. I'll show you how you can attach that tag to a contact. First, we're going to add a new contact. And we're just going to fill out some cursory information here like first name, last name, and a quick email address. And once we're done filling out this information here, we're going to scroll back up to the top of this form. And this bottom yellow box here is where we can track lead information. So in the top pull-down menu, we're going to click on that and we're going to select Contact as a Lead. And this opens up other options for us to track. The first one is the position in the pipeline of this lead. There are 4 options here, and you can change the text or the name of each of these options, which I'll show you in a moment. We're going to select Qualified Lead for this person, and then you can also select a referral source. And again, you can change or add to these referral sources, which I'll show you in a moment. We're going to choose the contact networking option, and then we're going to type in the potential revenue for this particular lead. And when we're done, we're going to go down and click on the Save button. And we're going to click on this contact, and you can see they've been tagged as a lead. And here's the information that we just entered. The other important feature in tracking and managing leads is the Track Activity feature right here. We're going to click on the Add Activity button, and we are going to add a contact activity for following up with the lead. We're going to type in a subject here for sending the prospect a proposal. We're going to set a day in which we need to be reminded, and then we are going to set a reminder for one person inside of our organization. And the reminders will be included in the daily review dashboard for that particular individual, as well as in the daily email notification that they receive at 8 a.m. in the morning on each day. And we're going to type in a quick note here for this activity. And now you can see this activity has been included right here along with the reminder and the person who has been assigned to that activity, and you can always edit or delete this activity. And while we're at it, we're going to add another activity for this particular lead. We're going to add a follow-up phone call after we send out the proposal. And we'll set a reminder date for this, and we'll also assign it to someone. And click Save when we're finished. And here is that activity right here. Let's take a look at where these contact activities appear on the daily review dashboard. We're going to click on the daily review right here, and then we're going to set a date range for the next 30 days. We're going to scroll down to where those contact activities appear, and here are those 2 new activities we've just created. And to go to one of them, simply click on the arrow button, and it takes us right to that contact. The details screen of the contact is basically your gateway for all your lead tracking information. Here at the top, you can choose to edit this particular contact. You can close this contact as a lead, which means they are a dead lead. And this, when you click on this, it will show up in the Close Leads group right here. Here you can also convert this lead to a client, and you can basically delete this lead or contact right here. We're going to convert this lead to a client by clicking on that button. Brings up a dialog box which tells us the lead will be flagged as a client and removed from the leads group. We're going to click on OK, and now as you can see, the tag has been changed to client, and the lead information does not appear anymore. I had mentioned earlier about managing the sales pipeline and referral sources tags, and you can do that right here in the drop-down menu. We're going to click on the Manage Sales Pipeline link, And then I'm going to change the label of one of the sales pipeline stages. And then we're going to click Save, and now that has been saved. And now I'm going to go down to the drop-down menu again and click on Manage Referral Sources. And here you can edit any of the sources that we've already added. You can delete any of them, or you can add your own. And I'm just going to add another referral source right here. And we'll click Save, and now that additional referral source has been saved. We also provide a variety of reports for lead tracking, so we're going to go to the Reports tab in our main navigation bar. And here are all of the contact and lead tracking reports that you can access. There is a sales pipeline report, lead conversion report. There is also a closed leads or dead leads report, a report on referral sources, and a report on all your lead activities. To run these, just click on Run Report, and it will display a graphic of the information as well as a table, and this particular one provides information on the sales pipeline and potential revenues. Here you can also create a PDF of the report, and you can return to the reports list. Thanks for watching this video, and please contact us if you have any questions.